Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can delete a wallpaper on the iPhone 15 series. Now first, go back to your home screen and then press on the side button here to go to the lock screen. Then tap on your screen to make sure that you are at the lock screen. Then touch and hold on the lock screen. And next, go to the wallpaper that you want to delete. Now you can see here I have a few different wallpaper sets. So to delete a wallpaper, go to that wallpaper, then swipe up. Next, tap on the delete button at the bottom, and here say delete this wallpaper. So choose delete this wallpaper, and that's it. Now you can continue to scroll or swipe across and delete any other wallpaper that you don't want to use. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.